What's up, guys? Welcome back. David Kim-MacKinnon here with eXp Realty. We're here in Fleetwood, Surrey, BC. And today we're doing a lovely property tour of a detached home that is right behind me. 9-bedroom, 9-bathroom, over 5,100 square foot living space. It's a beautiful home, extreme luxury. This is like goals, like your dream home. Really excited to show you this home. So come take a look. Hello? Come on in. Starting off with the front area, just a little lounge space for you to hang out. I picture, having little family gatherings here, just chilling in the front space. You can have meetings, you could just hang out here, read a book, but nice little space to hang out. I'm gonna take you to the bread and butter. First and foremost, this is my favorite part of the house. This is the open concept. Kitchen, dining, living, another dining area. There's tons of space here, but this is where you're gonna spend a majority of your time here with your family, eating in the dining room or preparing food in the kitchen. Look at this big island. It's massive. Not only it's 10 feet long, which is already a massive island, but it's like 1, 2, 3 feet wide. This is like why? Why do you do this? Walk kitchen, so you can keep all the smell away, right? You have the gas stove, the vent right here, and tons of cabinet space. Floor to ceiling cabinet space. No shortage of cabinet space here. With any luxury home, you have your security camera system right there, just in case you got any problems out front. Not only one, but 2 dining areas, so it's very flexible with this space. Show you this backyard here. So you have a backyard space right here. That space is kind of shared with your neighbors, but this is your backyard space, and it backs off into a nice ravine area, but also a golf course is right next door, so you can even just go to the golf course from your backyard if you really wanted to. Nice little patio space, barbecue area, and also an entrance to your downstairs suite if you wish to go this route. But come on, let's show you the rest of the house. Man, this living area with the fireplace. You just hang out here all day. You could do work here. You can put your TV up there, watch some TV with the fam, read a book. I don't know if you can see, but it's golden hour right now, so the lighting is really nice out here. So a lot of natural lighting out there, and you can just hang out here and just read a book, just hang out. Or you could pass out. You just pass out right here. This couch is actually super comfy. Oh yeah, you want me to show you the house? Sorry, forgot. Let's go. So on this main floor, we have 2 bathrooms, one to the right. I love this bathroom. This bathroom is gorgeous. Not only does it have the wooden panels, but it has like this backsplash here that's really cool. And just very spa inspired. It has like backlighting. Attention to detail. Across from the bathroom, you have a den / office space where you can just do your work, hang out. Book some meetings. I don't know if you have this kind of house, you're obviously doing some kind of business. Make some kind of money. Some kind of, I don't know. Anyways, oh yeah, secret washroom. Pretty much every room in this house has a washroom. Yeah, just in case, because you never know when you have to go. You never know. There's a mudroom here, lots of cabinet space, little seat to put your shoes on, store your shoes in here. A lot of cabinet space on this side as well. And double car garage. I actually love the design of this house and the backlight and the flooring, the wood colors. It's gorgeous. Modern, but nature feel. Yeah, beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms. And each bedroom comes with the carpet. I really like the carpet switch up in the bedrooms because it's a nice carpet feel. It feels nice on your feet. Each bedroom has an ensuite, so nice and convenient. And it also has a walk-in closet. And I could fit in this closet. It's proven it's a walk-in closet. Room number 2, which is more or less the same, right? We got a walk-in closet and we have an ensuite. It's nice. A lot of windows here. You get a lot of natural lighting in the daytime and you have a nice view of the street. So you can see what's up, right? Anybody's trying to roll up, because we're in Surrey. Always ready. I'm just joking, we're in Fleetwood. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't know about you, but I'm serious about my laundry. I want to make sure everything's fresh. So we got full size LG, top of the line stuff, 10-year warranty with folding counter, which is clutch. So underrated. And to wash your dirty hands. I don't know how it got dirty, but it did. Now I'm washing it. Convenient. All right, bedroom number 3. More or less the same. They're all decent size. You can easily have a king size bed, 2 end tables, ensuite, walk-in closet. Seems like a common theme in this house. Which leads me to the grand finale, which is the primary bedroom here. It already has a king size bed, as you can see. We have a massive walk-in closet. Usual walk-in closets on the primary ensuite, not that big, but this one is big. Easily fit her stuff, his stuff, or his stuff and his stuff, or hers and they and them. Everybody's stuff. I love this bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is goals right here. All right, so not only can you separate the toilet, if anybody's doing their business, you shut the door. Get out of here. Doing my stuff over here. All right, we got double sink. Standalone. Bathtub. I got a lot of space in here. All right, then you got the views, of course, of the golf course, natural lighting. You just soak in some Epsom salts and just recover from the day. This is too busy, making so much money because you have this huge ass home in Surrey, BC. All right, moving on. Now, if you don't want to go the bathtub route, you can take a shower if you're a shower person. All right, now this is not your average shower. This has enough space to shower your whole family at once. You can fit 10 or 15 of me in here. It's ridiculous. But we got all types of shower heads to make sure that every body piece is covered. 4 bedrooms upstairs. Let's head on downstairs. Show you what's up. By the way, 5,100 square feet of living space. Massive. I'm here. No shortage of cabinet space. All right, let's go downstairs. So downstairs, we have a separate legal 2-bedroom suite. And as well, we have this entertainment area. Obviously, you can put a large screen TV here. You can have a nice round sectional and you can enjoy entertainment, watching whatever you guys want to watch, but it's a really nice space and you can hear it. It's like soundproof down here. It's more soundproof. It's like an acoustic room. Must be a lot of insulation. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this property tour of this beautiful home here in Fleetwood, Surrey. If you would like to know more or like to book a tour, please contact me today. And as always, like and subscribe for more property tours like this. See you on the next one. This is, see if I can find it. What brand is this? I know it's an induction top, but I don't know what. It's beautiful. Cut that out. No, there's nothing. There's nothing there.